What's up guys, Brave Engine here. I want to show you how to build a simple landing page that looks like this, in 6 minutes. We're not gonna cover anything advanced for now, but just some basic functionalities of the UI editor. Enough to allow us to create something simple, but functional nonetheless. Let's get started. Let's start by adding our logo to the navigation bar. I already uploaded the assets we need. All I need to do is picking up the image I want. To create the main content, I will start by adding a new tile, and I'll add our background image. Because I want this tile to adjust to the device height, I'll switch to vertical responsive mode, and I'll set the height to 100%. No matter which device will render the app, it will show only and exactly the entire tile. I also want to make the navigation bar hover on top of the main content. To make the navigation bar transparent and the main image beneath visible, I'll set its opacity to 0. Now it's time to set the format and the content of the main text. Let's add some interactivity and organize our layout a bit better. The main idea behind our landing page is to have a perfectly covering background image. To achieve this, I'm gonna build a new mosaic from scratch, so that we can organize the various tiles exactly as we want. Then, I will embed that on our home with the main image as its background. Let's then create a new standard mosaic. I'll start by creating the tile that contains the main text. I'm setting the height to be responsive, and I'll make the background transparent. Let me change the background color of this mosaic to better see the text while editing. This won't interfere with the final result. I'll create another tile to hold one of our two buttons, and I'll go on formatting it. Let's get rid of this placeholder text, and give this tile as well a vertical responsive size of 25% of the device height. I want to insert some space between our main text and our button, and I'll give it as well a responsive height of 25%. To do so, I'll clone the button tile that already has the proper size, and remove the button from it. I'll make the backgrounds of each tile transparent. Now, we are ready to embed this mosaic on our home. I'll delete our initial tile, we won't need it anymore, and insert the mosaic we just created instead. I'll select again the main image as background of this external mosaic. I will now add some placeholder links to the navigation bar, just to test how they fit with the layout. Pretty good. Now let's add another button. I will retouch a bit the appearance of the existing one to make it bigger, adjust its width to 50%, and I'll clone it to create the extra button. I'll set the alignment of both to make them converge. Almost there. As a last thing, I'll create the main header. Done. And now we can preview our landing page.